𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬, winter in Bhutan is beautiful but also dangerous. Every year as the air turns dry and the winds grow stronger, our country faces one of its most serious threats, fire. Last year, Bhutan recorded 89 forest fires, burning more than 11,000 acres of land. Over 95% of the damaged area was pine forest, the very forest surrounding our villages, monasteries and towns. And this year, the danger has gone even more.
2025 na lo nga chi fire incidents report be bogi total de 111 beneficiation will te dinalo nga chi forest fire be wachin 30 the land house fire be wachin 52 the bush fire be wachin 16 the animji report beneficiation will.
Behind these numbers are real people. In 2024 alone, 6 families lost loved ones to fire. A man in 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬, a woman in 𝐻𝐴, a young man in 𝐻𝐴, and others in 𝐧𝐭𝐞, 𝐷𝐿𝐴 and 𝐂𝐵𝐺𝐻. Most died in house fire, one in bush fire. Their deaths were sudden and preventable. According to Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources, the Department of Forest and Park Services now requires power companies and local agencies to build fire breaks and remove overhanging branches near power lines to prevent forest and infrastructure fires. Compliance will be enforced through regular inspection and risk mapping around power infrastructure. DOFPS also reminds the public that under updated rules, negligent fires can incur suppression cost of Newton 15,000 per day, a small fraction of actual firefighting cost, but an important measure to promote accountability. Winter fires spread fast. They destroy homes, forests and families. A single mistake can ignite an entire hillside. As temperatures drop and winds rise, officials urge everyone to be careful, inspect wires and report smoke immediately. Fire safety isn't just a rule, it's our responsibility to one another. This is 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬 for Bhutan Today News with cameraman 𝐢𝐭𝐬.